Time for some engine archaeology with Harris.
On this episode of Wrenching with Harris, we are taking the valve covers off. Real simple process, 6 bolts.
In recent vlog news, Harris bought a V8.
2016 Coyote 5.
Here's the new V8 for the Mustang that might possibly be filled with water.
That's worst case. We hope not, but
this one has water in it. This only.
The 1971 302 from Torino, I think maybe.
Mint?
That's what the engine code said. But the weird part is the numbers on the manifold and the intake don't match the block. So I wonder if it's been like...
It's probably been fucked with.
Because the intake and the manifolds are from 73.
Okay.
So I don't know what the deal is.
Well, we'll have a Mustang build, kids.
Stay tuned. Take the valve covers off, will we see the rockers going up and down?
Yeah, you should.
Because if one of them's stuck, like if the valve is
Yeah,
stuck
you're
down in the piston, we can see that.
Could be a rocker through that stuff.
Yeah. Well, once you see me, it looks like it's been filled with tar, and it's all like congealed.
The problem is it's not an LS.
Anyways.
Oh shit, the NSX is in the background. I haven't even mentioned that yet. Did that just break?
Well, I've taken it off before, but it didn't sound like it didn't sound
Like a good thing.
No, probably just a valve covered gasket is bad. It is.
Yum.
Yeah.
That's not that bad. I expected worse.
It says 302 in there somewhere. Right here. Ooh.
America.
This is for the ladies out there. Hit me up. Maybe not. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that rust coming out. All that orange. Ooh. That may be where our issue is or something.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. We got Henris.
Howdy.
Today we're going to, what is this? What do we call this episode? Wrenching with Henris?
Oh yeah. Wrenching or something with Harris.
Welcome to Wrenching with Harris. We're gonna pull apart a, what was it?
It's a 302.
302.
We are taking the heads off. It won't turn over all the way, so we're gonna see what the issue is.
So we'll see what happens. Harris bought a 302 for 100 bucks. I did not go with him to go pick up the motor because I was sleeping, which I was really sad about, but we'll do that. The G is axle-less and not gonna get done anytime soon because Joel's in Georgia getting a truck with Adam and they just blew a tire. So they're having a bad day. But it's a rainy day, it kind of sucks here. And we're just gonna rip apart this motor, see what happens. Harris is breaking out the drummer already. So what are we getting the Dremel for, my dude?
Well, one of the, I always laugh about this, it's not funny, it kind of makes me mad. This bolt right here is stuck, and I want to take the exhaust manifolds off before we pull the heads off, so.
Okay.
We got, let's see, 7 out of 8, so hopefully this will solve that problem.
All right. What's your pro tip?
Pro tip, always make sure your drop cord is soaking wet. Leave it out in the rain before use, so.
Joy.
That's a pro tip from Harris.
I interrupt Wrenching with Harris to go save Justin's boat because it rained and water's all in the cover. And that's all we're good for Justin is to dump water off the cover of his boat.
That's right.
Here's the Mastercraft. Oh,
In the water on the boat. I bet
damn.
it weighs 1,000,000 pounds.
Oh, it's gonna be cold. All right, back to Wrenching with Harris. We're almost done cutting this bolt off. Still got a little bit to go.
Another pro tip, don't drop your safety glasses when it's wet.
Yeah.
We'll work on stuff with Harris.
There you go. Wrenching with Harris. All right, Harris, what'd it take to get our stud off?
We cut it halfway through and then whacked it with a hammer.
Perfect.
I hope that got, well, I guess we'll know after we take the rest of the bolts off if I got it all the way off.
All right, Harris, your sheet good to come
So
out?
I think we ground all of it off. So, oh yeah, shoot.
There we go.
There we are.
So we've got our intakes off, both our valve covers, and then both exhaust manifolds, correct?
And the water pump, yeah.
And the water pump. So what are we doing next?
Taking the rocker arms off, and I guess we'll pull the heads.
Okay.
They're under like a racing on okay. What? What? Good shit. You're on the vlog. Say hey. Howdy. I guess, yeah, okay. And since this is standard, I'm gonna guess that that's around a ½ inch. Because I don't know metric, but standard. All you other kids hate standard, but it's what I'm a fan of, so. Looks okay.
Everything looks fine.
Yeah. It's a little dirty.
This oil filter is crushed in so bad.
That's how it's designed for optimum flow.
All right, Harris, where are we at?
Just got the rocker arms and push rods out.
Push rods.
I guess we just
rocker
need to
arms.
take the head bolts out. I guess that's them. First time. And take the heads off.
All right,
Hopefully that goes well.
let's pull some heads off.
One more thing. We are going to reuse these gaskets.
Yeah. 10-10.
Because I'm on a budget here. This is a budget build 302, so we're going to reuse these. Set them over here
They're mint.
for later.
All right, it's time to pull this head off and see what mess we got in here.
Hopefully none. It's going to be dirty, but I'm going to set this on some cardboard. Oh, that's not white.
All right, let me get this thing off.
Night. That's some rust.
Here's the condition of this. Is gonna be a
Oh, please
perfect.
God, no. Okay, it's not.
This will be a perfect candidate to bore out, because I think you're gonna have to.
Yep. So here's what we found in if it'll focus. Does this focus automatically? So here's what we found. Some sandy sludge. Not looking good, but
Yum. Yep, it turns.
it's going away.
so there you have it. The 302 is torn down by Henris and I. There it is. There was a ton of crap that came out of it, which you saw. That's slightly concerning. It's metallic-y and all that, but we kind of knew this was gonna need love, so let us know what you think Harris should do for this 302.
Nothing bad, nothing expensive, thank you.
So the 302 is gonna go into his 66 Mustang, and it is a straight 6, and we are going to work on converting it to V8.
It
So
involves a lot more than I ever imagined.
we have learned that.
Quite the process.
Yeah, but it's gonna be cool once it's done. So let us know what you guys want to see. Let me know if you guys want to see more wrenching with Harris episodes. We will definitely be working on these, and we'll figure stuff out. Again, guys, thank you for watching this episode. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know what you guys think should happen with the 302, what we should do to it. You might notice a cool car behind me. I'll get into that in another video, but here's a little sneak peek of it. It's sitting next to the M3. But yeah, that's it for this video. Remember to head over to the 2X4 Co website to pick up your shirts, pick up your stickers, all your gear from us, all the tune stickers, the team shirts, everything's there. Pretty much it is all the shirts are 20 bucks. The long sleeve one is a little bit more expensive, but it's getting cold, so y'all head over, pick up your gear, tag me in pictures of you guys rocking it, and we will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all. Harris, you want to tell them bye?
See ya next time, hopefully.
Bye, y'all.